Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today I have selected an important information about eating fruits. So all of you know that the consuming fruits is very good for us and most of us have adopted in our diet too. But still I'll be telling about the right time and right way of consuming the fruits. Though we know that fruit always gives positive effect on our body, still consuming it in a wrong time and wrong fruit at right time also will not give us very much positive effect or beneficiary effect on our body. So first and foremost, eating fruits in an empty stomach is very good, because since the stomach will be empty, lots of absorption of vitamins and minerals will take place. But all of us have a practice that we'll be eating fruits along with the meals, or it's a wrong practice that we have followed, that eating fruit after the right after the meal. So whenever we consume fruit, there should be minimum 30 minutes gap, either before the meal or after the meal, or along with the meal is also fine. But what happens if we consume fruit right after the meals is, our digestion process becomes very slow, and whatever carbohydrates and starch which will be present in our main course meal, that will be already present in the stomach, and these fruits will not be absorbed directly. So this fruit will retain in the stomach along with the food. So what happens is, when it retains for a long time, it mixes with gastric juice there, and it ferments, so that it leads to bloating of the stomach or other gastritic problems. And also another thing is, since fruit contains lots of fibers, its digestion will be slow, and we feel that our stomach will be full for long time. So that's why those who are under diet, or those who are following the weight reducing methods, it is always good to consume fruits as it is rich in fiber. And another point we have to note here is, those who are diabetic, they have to eat along with meal, because since fruits contain sucrose, it will for them, if they absorb directly sugar, it imbalances their blood sugar level. So for diabetics, always should eat fruit along with the meal or when their stomach is full. But those who are obese can consume fruit at any time, because anytime if they consume, it gives them necessary nutrients and makes their stomach full. And also it contains lots of antioxidant and vitamins, so it is always good to eat raw fruits. It is better to avoid processed food, or also consuming fruits in the form of juice, because juice removes most of the fiber content, and only it helps in absorbing the sugar content. So our it becomes easily digestible when it is combined with the food, and it stays in the stomach for a long time. So always avoid eating fruits along with the food. And as I said, there should be minimum 30 minutes gap, which increases the absorption. That is, most of the vitamins and minerals will be absorbed in the body if we eat it in empty stomach. And also it is always good to eat it early morning. As I said, one thing is it absorbs well, and another thing is, as it contains fructose, it gives necessary energy to our body, and our whole day will be filled with energy. And few fruits we have to avoid during evening time, like water fruits, watermelon, muskmelon, and it is always better to avoid eating fruits before going to bed. But still you can, yeah, consume banana, as it acts as a instant energy containing most of minerals like potassium, magnesium, etc. Another thing you should keep in mind is, we should always avoid eating citrus fruits in empty stomach, which will create gastritis problem. Always eating raw fruits is better than any dried fruits and also processed fruits. So as I told you, And we all know that how fuel acts as a source of energy for any engine. The same way fruits acts as a driving force for our body. So it is always good to adopt fruits as a snack, like 11 o'clock or 4 o'clock snacks, instead of eating any junk or other things. It's always good to go for fruits. So all of you maintain a healthy diet by involving the fruits, and based on the body nature we have to balance our diet. It is always better to have more and more fruits in our diet, because it decreases the heart diseases, stroke, and balances bp and cholesterol. Mm, Almost all the fruits have more than 80 or up to 90% of water. So it is always good for consuming more of fruits to hydrate the body. And each fruit will be having different properties. Like fruits like strawberry will help in fighting against cancer and aging. Bananas, it's an instant source of energy where most of the athletes will be consuming. Cherries help keep nervous system calm. Grapes relax our blood vessels. Pineapples will help in fighting arthritis. Blueberries to protect our heart. And peaches contains various minerals, like potassium, fluoride, iron. Apple, we all know that an apple a day keeps a doctor away. So it builds resistance in our body and helps in fighting against infection. Kiwi increases bone mass. Mango contains lots of sucrose, and it also helps in overcoming different kinds of cancer. Watermelon, since it contains lots of water, it dilates blood vessels and hence helps in controlling the heart rate. Oranges helps in increasing the immunity and also helps in maintaining skin texture and also vision. So like this, each and every fruit has different property. So based on your body nature, like you have to decide what fruit should be consumed. And when it comes to fruits, it is more of fibers and carbohydrates. So fibers will be of two types, that is soluble fibers and insoluble fibers. So as I said, it contains lots of soluble fibers. So if we consume fruits before having any food, that decreases the absorption of cholesterol in our body, and also helps in fighting cancer. Few fruits will increase in the vision and skin texture, as I said. And insoluble fibers which are present in the fruits, which will help in increasing the digestion process, because these fibers will mix with our food and it acts as a sponge, wherein it allows the food molecules to move across the digestive tract. These fruits are easily digestible. As I said, it contains lots of carbohydrates, wherein during eating only it mixes with the saliva, which contains amylase enzyme, and gets digested there. And whatever left out particles, they'll move to small intestine, where they mix with pancreatic juice and produces sugars. These sugars will be absorbed by blood, and at the same time the insulin which is released by the liver will mix with this, and they regulate the blood sugar level present in the body. So fruits play a major role in maintaining the glucose level of the body. So this glucose will be distributed throughout the body, also acts as a energy source. And when we consume fruits, a healthy person, in case he consumes fruit, all the toxins will be removed from the body and acts as a energy source. This also acts as a stored energy, where whenever glucose is needed to the body, the energy will be distributed throughout the body. So we all understood that there are lots of benefits. So consume more and more fruits in your daily diet. All of you watch, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be uploading more and more health beneficial videos in the future days also. Thank you all.